Namaste. Today I am making one sweet recipe, that is Khaja. It is known as Khaja. For that I am using 1 cup of Maida and little salt and 2 spoons of ghee. You can even use oil, and we have to mix it nicely. After mixing this nicely, now we have to put water in batches, like little water we have to put and make a dough. So now I am going to cover this and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I am going to make the khaja. So the next step is, in a bowl we will take 2 tablespoons of oil. In this oil we have to mix 2 spoons of maida, just mix it well. So like this we have to make and keep. So now I am making the sugar syrup. For that I am using 1 glass of water and 1 bowl of sugar. And I am adding 2 cardamoms. Like how we used to make gulab jamun sugar syrup, like that we have to make this syrup. So now the syrup is ready. So after 10 minutes again we have to knead the dough. So like this we have to make balls, small balls. We have to do like this first. Just press it. So like this we have to make chapati. Like this we have to roll it. And next process is, this batter we have to apply over this. Now over this you have to put another chapati, then again you have to apply the batter. We have to make like this. So 7 to 8 chapati you have to paste like this. Then slowly just roll it one more time. Now again apply this paste. And we have to roll it like this. So the next step is, we have to cut this in small pieces. So like this we have to make pieces. So it will look like this. So now you have to press it like this. Keep it here. Low to medium flame. We have to fry this khaja. So friends, you can see this khaja is ready. Now I am going to put them in syrup. So now I am putting this khaja in syrup one by one. After 3-4 minutes we have to take it out. So friends, you can see my khaja is ready. This khaja recipe is very easy to make and it tastes very nice. I hope you will try this recipe at home. For Deepavali, you can try this recipe. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.